So my dear students, welcome to Suraj tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain how this formula comes. You know that in quadratic equation, you can find the value of x by factorization. But some quadratic equations are unfactorizable. You cannot factorize it. So how can you find the value of x in that case? So in that case, you apply this formula. By this formula, you can find the value of x in quadratic equation. You can solve it. But how this formula comes, I'm going to explain this here. You know that every quadratic equation is in the form of this: ax square plus bx and plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of every quadratic equation, and we have to find out the value of x in this case. How do you find this? Let's see. First, I'm going to multiply this equation by a, or you can also divide this equation by a. Means dividing this equation on both sides by a, we get what? Ax square upon a plus bx upon a plus c upon a is equal to 0 upon a. So a cancel, we get x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a is equal to 0. Because 0 divided by a, you get 0. A is any constant number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is like this. Now what you have to do, you have to convert in the form of 2ab. See here, x square will be written as same as x square. This one I have to convert in this form, 2ab, where a is what? X. So 2 dot x and what else you have to multiply so that you get bx upon a. For that you need to do this, b upon 2a. See here, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and we will get bx upon a, same as it is. So now this is in the form of 2ab, and the third part is c upon a is equal to 0. So now this is a square plus 2ab. So by this method we have discovered what is b. So b is what? B is this one, b upon 2a. So in the formula of a plus b whole square, there is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So there is need of b square also, but there is no b square. So we have to add b square on both sides. So in place of b, that is b upon 2a. So we have to add b upon 2a whole square on both sides. So you can write like this: x square plus 2 dot x dot b upon 2a plus b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a is equal to b upon 2a whole square. So I have added b upon 2a whole square on both sides. So we get this one. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write all the three together as a plus b whole square, means x plus b upon 2a whole square. And this c upon a will go on the right side and it will become negative c upon a. So you can square like this. You can write like this: b upon 2a whole square minus c upon a. So now you can write x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. We can take LCM 4a square. So 4a square divided by 4a square, we get 1, and 1 times b square, so b square minus. If you divide 4a square by a, so a will get cancelled and we will get 4a. So 4a times c means we get 4ac. So now I am writing here this one: x plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. This square will go on the right side, it will become square root. So it becomes x plus b upon 2a is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Whenever there is a square root, you have to write plus minus both sign. So you can write x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, and a square root of 4a square, square root of 4 is 2, a square root of a square is a. So we get 2a. Now this plus will go on the right side, will become minus. So x is equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This will become minus, so minus b upon 2a. So we can write this first. You can write minus b upon 2a and plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You see that 2a can be taken LCM. So you can write 2a minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. This is the formula by which you can find the value of x in any quadratic equation, whether it is factorizable or not. So this is how you derive this formula. This is very famous formula. By this formula you can find the value of x of any quadratic equation.